Hello everyone. This video I'm going to continue to share the possible career trend for 2026 part 2. Okay, last video I already shared the 2 and 8 and the 3. Okay, 2 is water element, 8 and 3 is fire element. So this video I'm going to share the 1 and 9. Those who have not seen my part 1 video, please go to my profile and watch the part 1 video first before you come to this part 2 video. Okay, because it's continue. Okay, I said something on the previous video. So let's get started. 1 is metal element. Okay, 1 and 6 is metal element. So metal element is accountant, government office, police enforcement, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, science and research center, and internet security. Okay, then 9 is wood element. 4 and 9 is wood element, which has artists, interior design, fashion design, education, teacher, secretary, admin, planting, publisher, doctor, and furnishing. Okay, so okay, this career trend is not based on your own career path, okay, which I already mentioned in the previous video. Okay, your career path, you have to look at your own character number, which is the inverted triangle, the bottom, that number. Okay, the 1 number in the center of the chart, that is your character number. Your career path has to based on that number. Okay, not these career trend numbers. All right, these numbers is just to tell you this year, yeah, what are the trends people can do. Okay, some people who are suitable to do. Okay, so okay, I will continue part 3 video because I want to, as you can see, there is no earth element in this chart, the career trend. Okay, in the next video I will share what is this missing element, what will we do. Okay, so okay, see you in the next video. Okay, those who like my video, please follow my channel and learn more about numerology. See you in part 3. Bye.